Can I have an aquaponics system for my home? In any space? Courtyard? Renting? Whatever. Can I? I love aquaponics for so many reasons. I'm such an advocate for it. Especially when I grew up, you know, in flats and you couldn't grow any food. And when I was an adult, I was renting, and we weren't allowed to have veggie gardens anywhere because it ruined the landlord's yard, even though I was paying rent there. My first system, I was renting, and I built an aquaponics system in a small little 2x2 meter area. I've been building aquaponics systems ever since 2006, and in small spaces, they work perfectly. This area here is a 3x3 meter area. I could have made this so much bigger, but in a small 3x3 meter area to show you that you can have lots of food within an aquaponics system in a small area. It was very deliberate. I'm someone who's been trained in aquaculture. I could easily do a much bigger system, but right now I'm wanting to focus on small systems to help people get started and know that anyone can have an aquaponics system anywhere. When you're renting, if you've only got a courtyard, if you've only got your indoor area, so you're wanting to have an aquaponics system inside, spare room, garage, lounge room even, why not? You know, looks awesome, growing food, why not? Does not have to be a commercial venture, okay? Why not have food security for yourself and for your family in your own backyard, courtyard, or whatever space you have? There's plenty of options, plenty of ways of doing it. There's not just one design. Many different designs. I'm in the process of designing over 150 odd different types of designs. So there are many. You can cater aquaponics to how you need it to be. Can aquaponics work for the home? Absolutely. Living proof. Living proof of another one, eh? Another small little system there. And I've even got two inside.